All right, guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Paul from Paul's Craft Shop, and today I'll be showing you how to transform this into this. This is a beautiful barn door that I did out of some closet door that we hated. And we also transformed by adding some nice hardware, courtesy of my friends on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description down below, right somewhere here, for you to purchase any of this equipment that I used. So you'll be able to do this yourself if you're interested. Thanks you for sticking around. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button for all new content that I'll be posting on my channel today. So thank you again for subscribing. Hope you enjoyed the video.